Design review tomorrow. Do all rooms meet the minimum area requirement? I can't afford mistakes. I need BIBIM. Instead of checking every room manually one prompt, tell BIBIM, paste your area requirements and list any rooms that don't meet them. BIBIM asks a quick clarification question. Then it starts generating the code automatically. Done. BIBIM checks every room in the model. Several rooms are below the minimum requirement. Next, let's visualize the program rooms and export the report. BIBIM asks one more detailed question. Then it generates the updated code automatically. We review the code and click Apply Changes. Done. The violations are now highlighted in the current view. Here's the preview. Let's open the Excel report. Non-compliant rooms are clearly flagged, with every issue organized and documented automatically. Everything's finally checked and documented. Let's try BIBIM.